The man you see behind me is Sukhafa, the founder of one of the longest running kingdoms in India that ran for 600 years. And this man did not use warfare or invasion to achieve that. He used farming.
Chaulam Sukhafa, a Thai prince from Mau and the descendant of god Khundung, arrived in Assam in 1228, along with his 9,000 soldiers come agriculturists. To expand his kingdom, Sukhafa taught the locals the technology of wet rice cultivation and other modern farming techniques.
আহোমসকল যেতিয়া হোমাপীঠত প্ৰৱেশ কৰে, এই হোমাপীঠত তেখেতসকলে যিটো খেতি যিটো পদ্ধতি আছিলে সেই খেতি পদ্ধতিটো প্ৰৱৰ্তন কৰে আৰু খেতি পদ্ধতিটো আছিলে আহোমশালী বুলি কয়, যিটো আহোম দ মাটিত কৰিছিলে আৰু দ মাটিত কৰা খেতিটো প্ৰৱৰ্তন হোৱাৰ লগে লগে ইয়াৰ লোকেল যিবিলাক কমিউনিটি আছিলে তেওঁলোকে সেইটো একচেপ্ট কৰিলে আৰু আহোমসকলেও ইয়াৰ অন্য যিটো কালচাৰ আছিলে অন্য জনগোষ্ঠীবিলাকৰ সেইটো তেওঁলোকে একচেপ্ট কৰাৰ পাছত এটা সংমিশ্ৰিতভাৱে এটা জাতি গঠন হ'ল।
This Ahomization or acceptance to the new way of life grew rapidly, and so did the Ahom kingdom. Sukhafa also encouraged that his Thai soldiers and royals marry the locals and accept local customs and cultures.
আজি আহোমসকলে যিখিনি নিয়ম পালন কৰি আছে, তেখেতসকলৰ পূজা পাতল বা তেখেতসকলৰ বিয়া বাৰু সেই ক্ষেত্ৰবিলাকত কিছু তেওঁলোকৰ ৰীতি নীতিবিলাক বা তেওঁলোকৰ কাষ্টমত যিবিলাক আছে সেইবিলাক পালন কৰে।
But this is not the only thing Ahoms are known for. They are also one of the fiercest warriors ever known.
Ahoms defeated the Mughals 17 times and protected northeast India from invasion for many centuries. It was because of their unique guerrilla and naval warfare tactics. The epic battle of Saraighat is a proof enough of that.
Lasit Borphukan, the general of Ahom army, is known to be one of the best warriors in the world. Ahoms were very weak compared to the Mughal army, but with his wits, General Lasit lured the Mughal army to fight in Brahmaputra river near Saraighat. The small boats of Ahoms started winning in a close fight as the bigger Mughal boats could not move fast enough with big cannons. The Mughals accepted their defeat soon after. Today, to remember his valor, every year the best cadet of National Defence Academy is given Lasit Borphukan Gold Medal, and every 24th of November is celebrated as Lasit Day in Assam. The glorious history of Lasit and many Ahom kings, started by Sukhafa 800 years ago, is now buried in the peaceful and beautiful Maidams or dome-shaped pyramids in and around Saraidev. Their proof of inclusiveness for all communities and religions, and especially the adoption of Hindu culture, can be seen everywhere around Assam.
This is Shiva Dol or Shiva temple built 400 years ago by the wife of Ahom king Shiva Singha. Well, every kingdom has some positive, some negative stories associated with it. But this story of bringing everyone together and uniting everyone without the use of force is something that we can learn from Ahom kingdom. I'll see you in my next story. Khushiyan always. Of invasion into farming. Northeast part of India from invasion. What मैं तेरे को बता रहा हूँ, ऊपर से नीचे आना रिवील.
अच्छा।
Epic war of Saraighat is a proof enough of that.